In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text outline in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or any special occasion, adding a text outline can help make your content stand out and ensure your message is communicated clearly and effectively. Let's dive right in and explore this easy to follow process step by step. First, you need to open PowerPoint on your computer. This program is part of the Microsoft Office suite, so make sure it's installed and updated to the latest version to ensure all features are available to you. Once PowerPoint is open, the next step is to navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation you're working on, or if you're starting fresh, create a new presentation to experiment with these techniques. Once you have your presentation up, you'll want to click on the text that you want to outline. Simply click on the text box and you'll notice a border appear around it, indicating that it's selected and ready for editing. Now turn your attention to the top of the screen. Here you'll see multiple tabs. Click on the Shape Format tab. This tab gives you access to a variety of options to customize the appearance of your text and shapes. Once you're in the Shape Format tab, look for the option labeled Text Outline. This feature allows you to enhance your text by adding an outline around it. Click on Text Outline Sole and you will be presented with several customization choices. You can select a solid color for your outline, adjust its weight to make it thin or bold, and even explore different styles like dashes if you're looking for something more unique. After clicking Text Outline, take your time to choose the outline style that best complements the rest of your presentation. Consider the background color of your slides and the overall theme you want to convey. A good rule of thumb is to ensure that your outline color contrasts well with the text color to make it easily readable. This means if your text is a dark color, such as black or navy, a lighter outline color might work best and vice versa. And that's how you add a text outline to your PowerPoint presentation. It's a straightforward process, but it can make a significant impact on the visual appeal of your slides. Remember, the key to a great presentation is not just the content, but also how it's presented. I hope this guide helps you in creating a more polished and professional looking presentation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.